This is the interior of the trailer at Carroll Plantation. I guess this is the master bedroom. Bath. Washer dryer. This is the kitchen, stove, fridge. Turn the power on. Fridge seems to be working. Imagine the stove will work. Biggest problem with this is the roof is gone and you got this black mold. I'm wearing a covering on my mouth now. I still don't feel comfortable in here. Some of this stuff is okay, but it'd be more trouble than it's worth carrying it around, trying to sell it or whatever. I don't know. Old-time TV. It's another smaller bedroom. And this is the back bedroom here. Looks like he lifted weights. Maybe once upon a time. You can see the black mold up in the ceiling in the corner. Here it is up here. The roof had let go, so it got all soaked with water. So it needs to be raised with a Z. R-A-Z-E-D. Okay. And here's a walk around the outside. I think this is a 70 or 80 footer. It's pretty long, but the power is on. Got a dish antenna. Power is getting to the drilled well, but there's nothing coming out. It's Sammy down there. Okay. And the septic's here. The place has had such little use, I imagine the septic is fine. I don't see any real problems here. Building material left for the roof that never got done. There's a driveway coming in past that post on the left with the blue tape on it. Driveway goes out to the road. It's about probably a good 1/8 of a mile or so. Ground's a little bit wet with all that rain we had, but not bad. And there's going up out back there. Those trees in the distance are probably about 1/4 of the way out back here. I haven't even seen the whole place myself. So, yeah. Okay, here's the back side of the trailer. I don't think it was ever very pretty, even when it was new. But this gives you an idea of the lay of the land. I gotta come up with my mower. I got a nice bush hog that I rebuilt. And I have to mow this, the field, and so forth. So, okay, thank you for watching. That's it for today, September 17th, 2023.